Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
In last week's 2-day trading week, here are the key things that the PSEi's price action showed us. 1. The index dipped as low as 5,973, close to the lower end of its downtrend channel. 2. It rebounded in the early session of last Friday as global markets experienced positive rallies while the PH market was closed. However, the weightlifting of buyers did not last long and was worn off throughout the rest of the session. This trading week, our bias remains the same that the PSEi may revisit lower support level of 5,832, an area where we think bargain hunting may arise.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
AREIT, Incorporated. AREIT broke out of its downtrend at the start of the year. However, instead of showing a takeoff rally, the stock has consolidated within a symmetrical triangle pattern. A formation like this can go either up or down, so it is ideal to wait for a breakout first before entering the stock. So far, the indicators are pointing towards a more positive price action in the future, with the MACD situated above the zero line and above the signal line, while the RSI is above 50. AREIT is currently trading at 33.65 and the stock may be bought if it trades at 34.10. Measuring the opening of the triangle and adding the height of the opening to the breakout point, we are able to estimate a target price of 39.55. To manage risks, place your stop level at 32.20.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.